date is 14th of September 2000. Windows Millennium Edition has just been released. Microsoft's last operating system based on the Windows 9X kernel. In this video, guys, what we're doing is we are upgrading Windows 98 2nd edition to Windows Me, and it is actually pronounced Me, M-E. That's how Microsoft wanted it to be pronounced. So like I said, it's the last 9X kernel operating system. It was released to manufacturing on June the 19th 2000. That's approximately nearly 21 years ago in June. Initial release date of 14th of September 2000. Its final release, which you should be seeing in this video, guys, is 4.90.3000, and that was on the 14th of September. It was a closed source for its sourcing model, and it's absolutely brilliant. I don't know why people got so pissy about it, folks. I really don't know why. I think it's an absolutely fantastic operating system. Psych. No, I'm joking. It was awful. I think it should have been based on the NT kernel. I think they could have either scrapped Windows Me and just publicly released the 2000 as for home and for office. I don't know why they needed the 9X, and I thought it was a mistake releasing it. But inevitably I had to use it. I used it in several locations, so at home and at school. So I actually installed it at home as an upgrade, like I have done in this video, folks. You'll notice the upgrade screen has changed, so its colours, its layout is slightly different, which you'll see later on through the setup process. As you can see, guys, it is very similar but to the 98, and as you can see, Windows is just copying files as we speak, and then what it's going to do is give the computer a good old reboot. Guys, I'd love for you to comment down below what you would like to see for retrospective operating systems and stuff like that on this playlist for this channel. So please do comment down below, and do hit that subscribe button, daily notification alarm bell, and you'll get notified every time we upload a video, folks. So let's get carrying on with this reboot and setup. Now, guys, the setup is going to restart Windows, and then it's going to carry on doing the final bits, setting up. Then it should hopefully very quickly load in the desktop. Oh, I forgot about this bit of setup where it says please wait while setup updates on the black screen. It's always done really quick. It never takes a few minutes at all. I've never ever seen it take a few minutes. As you can see, guys, Windows has just set up its driver database. Now it's going to sort the hardware and only plug and play devices. This bit's really quick. I've always noticed that the estimated time remaining always fluctuates after a reboot anyway, so I never ever fully go off it. I do use it as a guideline, but not, it's never ever set in stone. A very swift reboot. So guys, as you can see, this is more or less the final bit of this setup now, thank goodness. That means we get to see the desktop very soon. In it, we're doing the system configuration where it installs each individual component needed for Windows to successfully run. Anything from the control panel items all the way down to the registry as well. So guys, now the setup is complete. As you can see, we're at the Windows dialog box for the logon. So it's going to be the same password what I used for the Windows 98 second edition. So with that, let's get seeing what this desktop looks like, and let's have a look at the changes. Oh, right, so as you can see guys, we've got something different in the bottom right corner, which is next to the sound icon. That's going to be up on a future episode, so please do watch out for that. Also, do check out the Windows 2000, the Windows XP Media Center Edition, and the 98 Second Edition retrospective looks back as well. And also, as you can see on the desktop, there's the new setup MSN Internet. They've moved the recycle bin from the bottom right over, and now we've got My Network Places as well, and a briefcase, and the new version of the Windows Media Player, folks, which we'll take a look at a later episode. As you can see, we had to click on view all items for the control panel, guys. With that, I have seen quite a few changes recently from the upgrade from 98 to me, and we're going to be exploring more of them changes at a later video, but take a look at the themes. They're more or less exactly the same as well, and the version number is the 4.9.3, folks. Like in every retrospective look back at the operating system, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick game of the classic solitaire. Oh, we've got the beach cards effect on this one. So it's going to be a bit, looks a bit sluggish, doesn't it, folks? So we'll quick reset, get them aces up there. Put that 5 onto that 6, guys. That's it. Let's get going. 9 on that 10. Hey, speedily does it, folks. So it's just a bit sluggish because of the graphics, because I'm using the virtual box, but I'm hoping to get actual hardware for you guys, so I will be redoing this for you guys on actual hardware. But you've got to take a look at FreeCell as well, folks. I never used to like FreeCell that much, but then I started getting quite into it. It's been a good 10-15 years since I've played FreeCell, so I can't even remember properly what to do. It's been that long, crikey. So, well, this is FreeCell, guys. The aim of the game is just to move the cards in colour order and get all your stacks from queen to ace as well. And then you move them to the top right from your bottom to and your left as well. No, we don't want to save the game. We want to jump onto my computer and let's make it bigger. And as you can see, guys, it does have some new icons slightly for it, as well as the Explorer with Internet Explorer look as well, especially with the address bar. Um, you've got all your standard toolbars that are in every other Windows as well. Um, so that's basically it really for this. So please do check out the other videos on this channel. Just a massive shout out to TIEG and its community and all the people that have inspired me to do these videos. Please do check them out. See you around, folks. Be safe. Ciao for now.